Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I thought I would share or speak a little bit about what it means to sighted guide someone. So sighted guide is a term that is used for individuals who are partially sighted or blind. A sighted guide is essentially a way of helping an individual who is blind or partially sighted navigate or walk across the street or navigate a busy hallway or finding a bus stop, potentially maybe finding stairs, going up the stairs, things like that. I know in my last video, if you haven't watched that already, be sure to check it out. Things that you're not supposed to do when you see me with a white cane. This time I'll be speaking a little bit things you can do when you see someone with a white cane, or when they say, yes, I would like some sighted guide. So when someone says, yes, can I please get some sighted guide? Essentially what that means is you asking them if they want to be on your right hand side or left hand side. Sometimes there's a preference, sometimes there isn't. If you prefer one side, then you can just let them know that, okay, I'm on your right hand side. Or let me backtrack here a little. So you can ask the individual, would you like to hold my elbow, or would you like to put your hand on my shoulder? Normally, a lot of times people prefer to hold the individual's elbow. What a lot of times happens is you linking your arm with the person who is blind or partially sighted. No, that's not how it goes, because then what's going to happen is that person is going to be a step or two in front, and it's going to be like they are guiding you versus the other way around. I know a lot of times people feel very uncomfortable when someone is holding onto their elbow. Also, sometimes they might say C grip. So that means like your thumb and your three fingers are around the elbow, like shaped like a C. So that is one way of doing it. So once again, the person that you are guiding, the person that is blind or partially sighted, will be holding on to your elbow or your arm. It doesn't exactly have to be the elbow. It can be a little bit above the elbow or right at the elbow. Or a lot of times when you are navigating a theater, it's sometimes easier for them to just put their hand on your shoulder, and then they will walk behind you in a single file. As a person who is a guide, when you are coming to, you can ask them, okay, how much do you need me to describe or tell you in detail? It depends on the situation, the circumstances, and things like that. You could always just, as an individual, if you're coming up to a curb, you can tell them, okay, we are approaching a curb, or we are approaching a set of stairs. You can maybe even do a countdown, like 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're at the first step, or approaching the escalator, and 3, 2, 1 will be stepping onto the escalator. If you're doing a little bit more of a sighted guide, maybe that individual might ask for description. Okay, what are my surroundings? Where am I? Sometimes a lot of people that are partially sighted or blind use cardinal directions, so they just might want to know, okay, can you just take me in this direction, or help me find this bus stop? So these are just some ways or tips on how to sighted guide. Obviously, I'm not a professional, I'm not a pro, I'm just going based on my experience. I needed sighted guide myself. I would just say, could I please take your elbow? Obviously, when you do see somebody, like I said in my last video, please don't grab their cane, don't pull them by the arm. That is not A, it's not nice, and B, that's just not how you can be of assistance to that individual. You always have to ask them how they want to be helped, and they will let you know how you can be of assistance to them. I will leave it there for now. Stay tuned and leave your comments below. Talk to you soon.